Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question, which is water requirement. So in this question there is given finally, after purchasing a water cooler during the April long challenge, chef notices that this water cooler required 2 liters of water to cool for 1 hour. Okay, so how many water would be required to cool for n hours? You just have to calculate it. Okay, so there is given a number of hours and you just have to calculate the water in liters. So so if there is 1 hour, so how many water will be cooled? 2 2 liter of water will be cooled. Okay, and if there is 2 hours, then 4 liter of water will be cooled, because in 1 hour the 2 liter of water is cooled. For 2 hours the 4 liter of water will be cooled. Okay, so I hope you understand. So for 1 hour 2 liter of water is cooled. Okay, so for 2 hours the 4 liter will be cooled. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is the quite simple question. You just have to do multiplication with 2. So for number of hours into 2, okay, we'll give the number of liter. Okay, so if 1 hours, you just have to do 2 liter of water. If 2 hours, then you just have to multiply by 2, 4 liter of water. Okay, if 3 hours, then you just have to multiply 6 liter of water. So I hope you understand. So let's write the code here. You just have to, first you have to take int t, which is the number of test cases, and then c int t, and then you just have to do while t minus minus is greater than 0, int x. Then you just have to do int answer x into 2. Okay, and then you just have to do cout answer. So I hope you understand the basic understanding of code. So let's do this. First you have to create int t, and then c int t, then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x, and then int c in x, int t, int answer, then you just have to do x into 2. Okay, and then you just have to do cout answer, and then done. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.